Hey my Youtubian friends, I'm Gary with VWJawbreaker. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a little different. One of our own needs our help and I need you guys to help out our friend. So if you've been in the community for any time, you probably have heard the name Robbie Johnson. Robbie Johnson is a huge staple down here in Central Florida, the whole Southeast or East Coast for that matter. The man supports everybody. Puts on a great show called the VW Getaway every year. He runs the Dub Barn here in Florida. He does a ton for the community. He's got a great heart. About 5 months ago, Robbie and his wife Melissa were in a really bad accident with their Beetle. Unfortunately, Robbie's been out of work for the last 5 months. And as you know, that would most likely bankrupt just about any of us being out of work that long. He's already had 5 surgeries on his leg and on his foot, ankle area. And his prognosis is taking a lot longer for him to heal than they anticipated. So financially, Robbie's hurting. And that's where we're gonna come in. A group of us got together. Pete with Long Restoration kind of head all this up. They're out of Tennessee. And what they've done is, instead of doing a GoFundMe or something like that, they've actually set up a bank account with Robbie's name on it. And what that's going to do is Robbie will have instant access. Him and his family have instant access to that money because they need it now, not later down the road when GoFundMe decides, we'll pay you out and take a cut. So here's how it's going to work. We're asking people to give a donation, whatever it may be. If you want to do a small donation now or a donation every week, that's up to you. But from now till September, we're collecting money for Robbie and his family. Let's show up for the guy who always shows up for everybody else, right? And here's the thing. Down in the description and also the pinned comment, there's actually going to be a Venmo link and also a PayPal link. And that is Long Restoration Pete's personal. And what he's going to do is you take that and do your donation through either the Venmo or the PayPal. Please use friends and family, of course, and put on there that this is for Robbie. And 100% of whatever comes into those 2 accounts is going straight into that bank account that Robbie can have access right away with that debit card. Easy. So please, if you can, do that for us. Let's help out a fallen brother who's always had our backs and who's always been there for everybody, regardless of any kind of stance that you may have about anything. One of the nicest guys I've ever met. And here's a little something special that I teamed up with Riverbank Customs out of Alabama. And what him and I are gonna do is all proceeds that we receive for the month of July. That means any merch sales, YouTube revenue, whatever, any proceeds that we get for the month of July, we're donating straight to that fund to help Robbie out. So again, this is the community coming together when it matters most. This is a critical time for him. Last thing you want to do is be homeless or anything else. And let's face it, us guys can be prideful. We don't like asking for help. But like I said, Pete with Long Restoration and a bunch of others, we all kind of got together and said, you know what? We're just going to help you anyway. Suck it up, Buttercup. We love you. So, do me a favor. Take a minute if you can. I know funds are tight for all of us. I get it. Funds are really tight for me too. That's why I'm going to do this pledge myself and along with Riverbank Customs. Whatever we gather for the month of July, that's going straight into that account for Robbie. So do me a favor. Drop a comment down below. Say, get well, Robbie. Because I'm sure he's going to see this. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Till then, be kind to one another and be good.